I have taken 3 cups of pot barley. I always use pot barley because it is more nutritious than pearl barley. Although it takes longer time to cook, but I cook a creamy, soft, and very tasty barley in 2 steps in just 40 to 45 minutes. If you have high blood pressure, high cholesterol, or constipation, take barley daily, and you will see the magic. Rinse the barley thoroughly in a strainer. There is no need to soak in water overnight before cooking. Step 1. Transfer the washed barley to a large cooking pot or pressure cooker. Add 12 cups of water. Yes, 12 cups. 4 cups of water for each cup of grain. Barley drinks water to pop up. Never throw away the barley water, as it is full of soluble fiber. Heat the pot at high temperature for 2 to 3 minutes and cook the barley at medium to low heat for 10 to 12 minutes. Step 2. When the grains are 30% cooked but still hard, transfer it to a pressure cooker and close the lid with weight on. Here is the secret: the slow cooking at a low heat. So, cook it in pressure cooker at a low heat for 30 minutes. It is done. Transfer it to food containers when cool. Usually, the pot barley increases volume to 5 times. You can see in this video by yourself. I cook this on the weekend for the workday's consumption. Please try and enjoy the goodness of this method of cooking. We are waiting for your comments and your experience. Subscribe this channel to get more such videos. Thank you.